Guys, I have this multi-tool or multi-function plier from Mr. DIY. Actually, it's a multi-tool for me, yeah, because it's comprises of quite a number of things here. What do you call it? Need nose pliers, called pliers, okay? Then wire cutter, spring in nested. I'm not sure what is that. I think it's just a spring. Wood saw, bottle opener, files, screwdriver, and knife, can opener, and this is a serrated blade, and also comes with this pouch. Yeah, so okay, let's open this. Yeah, I got this for around 24 ringgit. Yeah, from Mr. DIY Malaysia. Mr. DIY is like a very big hardware store, yeah, that sells all kind of things. So there you go. I'm buying this to put in my car, yeah, because I got a new car, so each car of mine would have this. And what the good thing about this multi-tool is like a Swiss knife, just that it's not that same brand. So you can actually, you know, close it this way, and comes with a very nice army camouflage look. Yeah, but let's see, how does it function? Does it function well? So you have a plier here, which is okay. You can also cut the wires. So let's try this out. Yeah, so I have a wire here, or cable tie, but that have steel in there. Let's try and cut this. Yeah, easily cut off. So maybe I should try another material instead, but yeah, there you go. And what else can it do? Let's see. So let's try and close this and open this first on the right hand side. This is the blade, and this blade looks rather sharp. So this is as a paper, and that's pretty sharp. Yeah, so okay, not going to try that more. So the second one, yep, the second one is actually a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, nothing much to shout about on that. And next would be a bottle opener. Then this is a saw. How can I test the saw? Let's see. Can I just close this first? Close this first and just leave the saw open. And let's try and saw this. Of course, this is a plastic, should be easy to saw, but it's actually working well. Look at that. So good. I need that. Yeah, you will find it good to have when you need it, yeah, in the car. So this is a file, yeah, can be for your woodworking or whatever, or for your nail. I think that's exceptionally good. Yeah, nowadays nail cutters don't come with a file. And let's come to this part. This looks like another saw to me. Yeah, but it called it serrated blade. So let's try again. But this, does it work? Yeah, this doesn't really look like a saw. Yeah, I think that's why you called it serrated blade instead. Yeah. Oh, this, isn't this the can opener? Oh, okay, this is the bottle opener. And the other side is the can opener. I think it looks the same to me. Let's see. Yeah, rather the same, but doesn't matter. Okay, and this is the flat screwdriver. Okay, so there you go. 4 over here, and also another 4 over here. So it's good to have, yeah, all this within your reach. Yeah, when you are in an emergency, you need to use this, or sometimes you need to open a bottle or can from your car. You have this. Yeah, sorry. So let's put this in the pouch and put it in my car. and forget about it, okay? Until I need it, it's there. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and hope this helps. Bye guys.